Hey, how's it going, people? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, and what that is boom, the RTX 3080 Supreme X by MSI. So what do we have in the box? This thing is massive. Holy cow. That is beautiful. All right. Little envelope. It's got a few things in it. Let's see. How to upgrade your PC with the new graphics card. Okay. Set that to the side. Let's get to the goodies. Okay, we got some more. A mouse pad. That's dope. There it is, guys. Oh, wait. Comes with a little mounting bracket. Pop those two on, gives your graphics card a little bit of support. Holy crap. This thing is as big as my forearm. If I can open it delicately. That is gorgeous. Get this box out of the way. Wow. Nice, solid graphics card. Feels very premium. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do a small little video of the RTX Supreme X 3080 by MSI.